Pavan here from Mentor POS. Today I'll be showing you the demo of Mentor POS. Mentor POS is a cloud-based solution for your all F&B outlet needs. We are serving all type of F&B outlets. It be cafes, restaurants, fine dine restaurants, bars, ice cream parlors, pizzeria, bakeries, cloud kitchens, and more. Like franchisee management and everything. We provide solution for everybody. We are an end-to-end solution providing you your billing. Billing means your takeaway orders, your dining orders, your integration with other aggregators like Zomato, Swiggy, and your own online ordering platforms. In the backend, we also provide integration. We also provide inventory, recipes, production management, transfer of orders in between stores, like that. And we have multiple applications synchronized internally to give you the better access and experience and control of your business. So our software is having two main applications. One is sales point, that is your cashier window, from where you can able to your cashier can able to punch the orders and print the bills. One is the back office, that is for admins and managers to run the reports, change the menu pricings, manage inventory management and everything. The third application is our Mentor POS application. Just in case you don't want to go with full fledged with a PC, you want to go with only an Android station, handheld station. You can able to do this from an Android mobile application, and it's a full fledged application with a similar power of having a desktop POS. This application can also be used in case you are using a desktop version, but network is not at your place. So all on an order coming from the aggregators like Zomato and other aggregators can land over here, and you can able to accept the order from here. Also, in case you have a fine dine restaurants, this application can be used to place an order by the captains or stewards in the restaurant, and can be printed directly printing the KOT to the kitchen. So today we'll be seeing the demo of Mentor POS sales point version only, and we'll see the demo of back office in the next video. So let me logging in. Over here, as you can see, I'm logging in as an admin. You can able to create multiple users with their roles and privileges. So you can define who can be an admin, who can be a manager, who can be a cashier, and who is having the privilege and authority to cancel the KOTs, edit the bills, give discounts, give complimentaries. All of these things can be managed, providing the roles and privileges. So let's log in. Over here you can see the sales point. This is the sales point can totally used by either keyboard, either totally by touch screen, or usually by keyboard and mouse. This sales point is highly configurable. It's not really hard coded, so you can able to add as many as section that you want. You can able to as many as table that you want to add. Similarly, these operations like dine-in, takeaway, delivery, you can able to add more operations. You can able to remove these operations from the configuration of the outlet. So let's say today we have dine-in, takeaway, delivery. Tomorrow you want to add self-services. So you can able to add those, and you can able to, if you want to remove some of them, you can able to remove them. The other one is online order. So every order that come from your Zomato, Swiggy, or your own online ordering platforms, you can able to get that order over here. All order will land over here. This is your order list, basically all your running order at your outlet, like takeaway, delivery, your Zomato, Swiggy orders, your online platform orders. Everything will list over here. I will go through all of these things as we move further in the demo. This is your basically petty cash management. So all your small expenses that you run on the outlet level can be tracked over here. Printing in the cash vouchers as well. So you can able to print out the cash voucher. You can sign that like that. Also, we have reports. This report will show only today's data that has been running as a current day. This is an online configuration. This configuration is basically over here to define what all menu item that you want to open for accepting the orders, what modifiers that you accept, that is available at your outlet. You can able to turn on turn off stores on aggregators and other platforms from this window. You can able to configure the sound, that should be buzz when the order came to your platform. This thing is basically day close. You can able to perform a day close manually once your day is done for the day, as well as you can able to manage this with the automation in the back end. So we can configure, like, at which time of the day when day close should automatically execute, and if that point of time there is no order being running, it will automatically execute the day close, sending in comprehensive data of today's sales, like sales by cash card, sales by menu group, sales summary, your discount summary, complimentary summary, and everything will be sent to the owner's email address, as well as you can use our mobile application, owner application Alba, to see your details in real time. This is blog out the simple thing. Now let's start to see how we can able to place an order on a table. So as I've said earlier, this system can be used totally by keyboard as well. So once I press escape over here, see the cursor is at the search table now. I can able to choose a table, write a table that you want go for. So let's click on table number 3. Let's press 3 and press enter. Table number 3 is open over here. You can able to see table number 3 is over here. In a similar way, when you go dine in, and you can able to click on table number 3 or 4 whenever you want to go, you can use it as a touch as well. So now talking about how to place an order at the table. So there are four different ways to search a menu and punch a menu into the order. So first is basically you can able to click on main menu group and sub menu group. So you want to go with main menu group of chart street and sub menu group of Delhi Wali chart. So you can able to see the only menu of the Delhi Wali chart or all day snacks, like that. The menu will change as per the subgroups, and this is one way. The second way is you can able to click on all, so it will show you the menu of all the outlets, the whole menu, and you can able to search it using the full name. So let's say you want to go for Raj Kachori, for example. So you can write like Raj Kachori, it will open up, or otherwise you can able to go for initials, so like R K means for Raj Kachori. This is the third way. The fourth way is you can able to implement your own alphanumeric codes or numeric or alpha codes singularly into the system, and you can able to search with that. So example, you want to go for safe puri with the with the code of triple one. You can able to do that. Even if you want to go with SP triple one or SP double one. So alphanumeric code also can be generated in the backend while adding the menu item, and everything is configurable over here. So let's place our first order. Let's start with one safe puri. Over here you can define the modifiers, your minimum and maximum. So over here, let me add it. Let's add banda beli. Let's add sabudana khichdi. And over here, as you can see, we have over here add to cart. The number of times you keep on adding, clicking over here is keep on adding. You can able to subtract from here by clicking over here. Also, you can use your keyboard to press plus and minus in the keyboard, and it will keep on adding like that. So over here, let's say the customer says that I want these three things at my table, and over here he said ki a customer note to be put in, like anything specific that he want to order while placing placing sabudana khichdi. So you can click on the item name. You can able to choose a predefined custom food note. You can able to add it in the backend as well as in the configuration. Also, let's say if there is something that it's not over here, you want to add custom, so you can choose custom. And let's say we are saying it is Jan food, and you click on update. So once you can see the note, it's written over here. And when you click on 7th Sun Kitchen, it will send to the kitchen defining, let's say you have one pantry and one kitchen, so some dish could be prepared in pantry, some dish could be into the kitchen. So that ways you can able to the software is smart enough to route that to a particular printer or to a particular kitchen department, like that. So let me click on save and send kitchen. So the order has been printed into the kitchen, and when you go to dine in, you can able to see this table has been started. It's been 3 minutes, when we first click on the table and place the order. So it will also tell you the turnaround time, as well as, let's say now we want to place an order at table number 6. Click on table number 6. Let's say you want to go with the samosa one piece, one, let's say bhel puri, and one, let's say ban maska. So similar ways over here we can click on 7th Sun Kitchen, as well as just in case you want to add customer information, you can able to add customer information at any point of time till the order is not settled. So let's add a new customer. Let's say Mr. Sanjeev is the customer name, and his mobile number is, let's say, this. You can able to add Mr. Sanjeev's email address, date of birth, anniversary dates, and this can be used in future to send them an offer, or any special offers for birthdays and anniversaries. So let's add it and click on finish. Also over here, if you want to align a particular server or a steward or a captain to the table, you can able to go to this button and you can able to add a staff. So let's say Mr. Devesh is there, and also if this is a party coming from a corporate party, you can able to add their taxation number like GST or VAT, and you can put up customer company and address details so that they can able to claim in future if you want to claim the taxes. Also you can able to put up the tax, the source of the order. So this could be an online order, online advertisement reason, or you have made any let's say advertisement with banners and everything, and you can able to ask the customer that how you come to know about us, and that's the way you can able to do this. You can able to add covers. These things are configurable. So if you want a compulsion of covers, when you click on the table, you can make it compulsory in the backend. If you want compulsion of putting up a staff name, you can do that as well. As of now we have not configured it, so it have not been asked for us to put up a cover and customer name compulsorily. Otherwise you can able to do it. So let's finish. Now we have customer guest name Sanjeev over here. Let's place the order over here. The order has been punched. When you go back to the 9 in over here, we can able to see this is for Mr. Devesh is running the table, and this table we doesn't have assigned anybody. So let's go to table, any table over here. If somebody want to repeat the order, you just click on plus, or if you want somebody wants to, let's click on plus over here for another save puri, and this time you want to go with gulab jamun. And let's say he want a tawa pulao bhel as well. So you added it over here, and you click on 7 cent kitchen, and you can see now table price has been increased. And you can see over here when you click on 9 in. Yeah. So let's say there is a scenario where a customer don't want this save puri, and another customer on another table might be needing that. So usually what happens in this scenario, the cashier will cancel the KOT from particular table and then punch it again. But it looks simple at the cashier point of view, but into the kitchen, what happened, once you print cancel the order, they stop the preparation of the order, and you again punch the same order, and they will start preparing the order again. So instead of that, we have defined a thing called a shift. So if one table has cancelled they don't want the dish, but another want the same dish, you can able to shift the order. So let's say we click on shift. I can choose that something which has to be shifted. I choose like save puri should be shifted, and you can see on which table you want to shift. I want to shift on table number 6. That is the only table running over here as of now. Click on update. The item has been shifted. So now what this will do, this will print a KOT into the kitchen that shift puri from table number 3 is shifted to table number 6. So it will define the operations team into the kitchen that this should has to be done without halting their operations. So see, shift puri over here is 0. When I go to my dine-ins, and when I go to my table number 6, you can see Save Puri with Gulab Jamun over here is added. So this is the way. Also, let's say this is a big order and having a lot of items over here in this place, and you want to cross check if something has been missed or something has been added additionally, or something has been not been added over here. So in that case, you can able to print click on the KOT button, and this will print the whole KOT in the cashier system, and the steward or the server can able to cross check if there is something has to be made any changes like that. Or otherwise you can just click on finish, and you can able to print the customer bill, just to show them. So click on print bill. Now the bill has been printed. Over here you can see the color of this table has been changed. So what will happen, if you are a really a restaurant which is having a lot of footfall or a lot of rush, So in that case, the guy who is managing the table management and sitting facilitating the customer to sit on a particular table can come to know that the table number 6 might be closing up in next 5 to 10 minutes, because the print has been printed. So he get an idea of where to let the next batch of customer to be seated, like that. So I'll go over here. I can click to finish. If customer want to remove the service charges, you can click on remove service charges or add service charges, like that. Over here, if a customer wants discount, you can click on discount. You can define a manual discount, or you can use a predefined discounts as well. We have subgroup wise discount, we have category wise discount. So let's say you're selling liquor and food both, you want to give different discount on liquor, different discount on food. You can able to manage that. If you have multiple subgroups, let's say you have one continental food subgroup, one, let's say, fast food subgroup. So if you want to give a particular discount only on fast food, and in this four items there's only one subgroup item of fast food, so the discount will applicable on the only one on the only one item of particular subgroup, not on all of the items, like that. And for everything, you can able to put up a reason for that. You can add custom reasons in the backend, or you can run discount over here. Similar goes for the complimentary as well. If you want to give something complimentary, what was the reason for that you are giving it, and you can able to define that. So we are not putting it anything over here. Let's cancel. Now over here, let's say customer says out of 351, I want to give 100 in, let's say, cash, and other in, let's say, phone pay, okay, or card. So you can add multiple payment method by yourself. So you can able to choose. In case let's say they want to go with three different payments, so he said ki another 100 again with the GPay, and then the last one could be by phone pay. So this is the way you can able to do it. I can able to click on print and finish bill, or otherwise you can able to click on finish e-bill. This will send an e-bill to the end customer on their SMS, and they can also able to give you a feedback directly on the from their mobile application. So click on print and finish. The order has been settled. Let's go to table number 3 again, and let's say table number 3 is having a capacity of, let's say, six sittings, and there are only two people sitting over there on the table, and there are more people can be seated. So in this case, you can able to go for split table, and you can click on split. The new table can be started over here. Let's say the other guy want to have these two things. Click on save and send. Now when you go to table on dine in, you can able to see there are two tables running over here. Just in case you want to move this particular table to a different table, you can just click on the order. You can go to this button, and you can able to say that this table should be moved to table number 5 and should not be on table number 3. You can click on finish, and now when you go over here, this order has been shifted to table number 5. Similarly, you can able to merge tables as well. So let's say this is a big family, or a big community of people who have came here to lunch. You can go to the table. You can able to go this icon. You can able to choose that I want to merge table number 5 and 6 over here. Click on finish, and now when you go over here, you can able to see these both the tables are running simultaneously. There is one more function which we called as order merge. So one thing is you merge a table, and one thing is, let's say there are two different orders are running, and now they want to merge the bill together and want to pay them at once. So you can able to use merge order as well. So now let's go and let's finish this order, settle this order, and click on finish. So that is how your you can say your billing is being done at a table level. Just in case you are paying through an a card machine and EDC machine, you want to put up your charge slip number that comes from the print to cross check later on when you are reconciling with your bank. You can able to put your 4 or 5 digit charge slip number over here. You can able to make this compulsory in the backend that if it is by card, it should be putting the charge slip number. Then you can configure that. And with if somebody if your cashier has choose card, then before putting in charge number, it will not let them settle. So let's settle this in Paytm and print and finish. So that's how your table billing can be done. Also, in case you don't want to show uh, all the sections to everybody, you can able to choose over here that which section should be shown. It will help you to increase the accuracy, where some steward should not be punching in a different section where they are not authorized to. You can able to assign this table on section to a particular user as well. So let's say there is user A, they should not able to punch in on other section other than dine in. You can able to assign them, as well as in this menu you can able to see that there are multiple main menu groups. So you can able to align this main menu group to a particular user. So some user who doesn't have the access to street mania menu group, when they log in, they can't able to see the street mania menu group, and they can able to see the only the menu groups that they are authorized to them. So this is where our table ordering is being ended. Now let's start with the takeaway. So in takeaway orders, the menu punching thing is really similar. You can able to add multiple orders over here, and once you click on Sevens in Kitchen, it will directly ask you how they want to pay, because it's a takeaway order. We want to do it right away. And in case before making the payment, the customer says something else to add it, you can click on Edit Order, and you can able to add more things over here. You can click on Sevens in Kitchen again, and it will ask you how do you want to settle the order. So let's say they are choosing in cash. Now we are finishing it. Now let's say you are a QSR and there is a lot of rush. There's a queue in the back of the cash counter. So in that case, let's say customer placing these orders, and there is a button called as print and finish. So what this button will do, it will do three things at once. One is it will print the kitchen KOT, it will print the end customer bill that will be handed over to the customer, and it will settle the order in a default pay method. So let's say, for example, you are accepting payments by cash and card, but you know your maximum customers pay by cash. So you can configure in the backend your default pay method at cash, and when you ask customer how you want to pay before settling the order, if he says cash, just click on this. So what it will do, it will settle the order in cash, it will print the kitchen KOT, it will print the end customer bill, and your order is settled in real time. So just click on print and finish. The order has been settled, and you add new order. So this will help you to create and finish orders in real time and in lightning fast speed. So when I go to order list now, I can able to see these are two takeaway orders that we have just finished in cash. See, real time and it's really fast. The other one is delivery. Just in case you want to do any delivery orders, over here it's compulsory to put up customer information and customer details. And when the bill is printed, it will print the customer details in the below, in the end bottom of the bill, so that you can deliver it by yourself with the address and phone number that has been noted from the customer. So over here we have an online order that been helping you to integrate with other aggregators on your own online platforms. So your online running orders, your completed orders, your cancelled orders, everything will come over here. These are your stores in case. So it is not a live aggregator. It is not live on aggregator as of now, so it might be not showing. Otherwise, it will have shown you on whichever platform that you are live as of now, and on which platform you have deactivated your outlets, and when was the last time that you have deactivated the outlets, like that. This is your order list, your completed running out list. Everything can be seen over here. Your order number, set number, the channel of sales, like it was like Zomato, it was Swiggy, it was Talabat, it was Noon Soon, it was our own website. So it will define the channel as well. The guest name, you can see our Sanjeev that we have added, the staff who have served them, the amount, the due, who did that, and how it was settled. So see, at one order we paid partially by phone pay, partially by GPay, partially by cash. So that's how you can able to see it settled. Over here we have petty cash. So under petty cash, eitherwise you can able to add in money in the morning, like that you are paying in customer in at a restaurant, let's say 1,000 or 2,000, your currency, and you can do as a pay in. or otherwise if you want to manage your expenses. So let's say there is somebody, Mr. by the name of Khalid, and you are doing him a payout, and let's say you are paying him, let's say 100, and you can choose a category over here, opening balance, maintenance, and salary. So let's say it's a maintenance. You can able to add this category by yourself in the back end, and let's say you are paying him by cash, and you can say it's a plumbing job, let's say. And over here when you click on save, you can see that there is a print button, print icon. When you click on this print icon, you can able to print out the cash voucher and you can able to sign that. And over here we have reports. So that's how your petty cash thing works. Now we have reports over here. It will show you the current day's report. So over here you can see the amount, the service charges that you have accepted, the total sales that you have done. If there's any running order, that's been not settled, it will be shown over here on this place. And over here we have, let's say, cash by sales is this much. This is something that we have made in the petty cash expenses, and that is something that we have in hand with us. So as multiple pay methods has been consumed, you can able to see multiple method listed over here as a column. You can able to add more pay method from the back end. It's not kept restricted to this. If you want to add more methods, like your MX card differently or Diners Club card differently, want to add a credit card differently, you can able to add those payment methods in the back end. It will reflect on the sales point while settling the orders. So over here we have on configurations. So basically what all menu items that you will be willing to sell on aggregators, you can able to activate deactivate from here as a status. These are your modifiers that you want to activate deactivate. These are your stores that you want to activate deactivate. And this is your setting, like the bus sound that you want to use while the order comes. Over here we have a day close. If there is any let's say order been pending, so let's say you can see right now button is active. So let's say we punch a takeaway order over here, and let's say we set a suji golgappa. Let's click on this over update, and let's say we are not settling it. We just punch in order. We are not settling it. When we go to the day close, I can able to see that order is running, and we can't able to perform this next operation. Eitherwise, we have to void it with a reason, or eitherwise we have to settle it. And in order list, you can able to see this shows as a running. You can able to go and settle it over here. Let's say you are paying it by cash. Click on print and finish. It will print the bill as well. And now you can able to do the next. So once you do the next, it will send the comprehensive sales report of today, that what has been done, the sales by cash, card, menu wise, like that. Over here you can able to choose summary by sales. You can able to print all of these report in your thermal printer or your A4 size printers. You can be able to print all of these report at the outlet. You can be able to choose data from and to, that the report that you want to run over here. And in the day close, you can be able to define your day close timings by yourself in the backend as per the configuration, and it will uh, do the day close by itself if there is no order has been pending. And you can able to do the log out from here. So that's how today we have to show you from the sales point. In next demo, in next video, we'll show you how to use our back office. If you have any other queries, you can surely comment below, or you can write on a mail defined in a description. We'll try to answer it. Thank you.